Okay, so this drawer makes this sound whenever we pull it out. The simple, quick, and easy solution is take a dry piece of soap and put it on the bottom of it. Just rub it a few times, and on the other side as well. Same thing, rub it a few times with the dry soap. Any area that might be making contact. Then after that, it should just slide in and out a lot more smoothly. Of course, you gotta make sure that every part that might be rubbing gets that soap treatment. And voila. Guess it doesn't work every time. Maybe it's getting it from the bottom. So, oh yeah, it's getting it from the bottom. Bottom scraping. So, put a little soap on the bottom. And now voila.